In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another account to Proton Mail. To get started, first log in to your existing Proton Mail account. Make sure you're already inside your mailbox before moving on, because the option to add another account is found from within your current account menu. If Proton Mail has fully loaded and you can see your inbox, you're in the right place. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with account-related options. In that menu, look for the option that says Add Another Account and click it. After you select it, the page will reload and take you to the Proton Mail sign-in page. That's completely normal, so just wait a moment for the new page to appear. On the sign-in page, enter the email address or username for the Proton Mail account you want to add. In the password field below, type the password for that account, then click Sign In. As always, be careful when entering your login details, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. It's a good habit to double check that you're signing in to the correct account before continuing. After that, give Proton Mail a few seconds to load the account and complete the sign-in process. Depending on your connection, it may take a moment, so just be patient while everything finishes loading. Once the account has been added successfully, you'll be signed in and able to access it from the same browser session. Now, whenever you click the profile icon in the top right corner, you'll see your signed in accounts listed there. From that menu, you can switch between accounts quickly without having to sign out each time. This is especially helpful if you manage separate personal and work inboxes, or if you simply want an easier way to move between different Proton Mail accounts. And that's it. That's how to add another account to Proton Mail. It's a very simple process, and once it's set up, switching between accounts becomes much faster and more convenient. If you're following along, just take your time on each screen and make sure each account signs in properly before moving on.